everyone, welcome back. So good to see you here. It's Friday and it's me, it's Angela. So welcome back. I am excited to share with you a little Galantines kit that I put together. I sort of made it more girly, so you know, Galantines for girlfriends, and also, you know, couples as well. But I know that at my age I have a lot of good friends and, you know, people that I like to share the love with. So, you know, this is something I would put together for somebody like that. But of course, it has the option to be a Valentine's gift as well. So there's nothing wrong with that. So it is very girly. It's about reds and pinks, lots of pinks, and love, you know, because all we need is love, according to John Lennon. So that's what I've done today. Now, I have only got digital kits really for this because Royal Mail are starting to open up things, and I think things are going to start going from Tuesday. They sent us a notification, so it's all looking positive. So I hope to hear that you are receiving your parcels from long ago and that the new ones are starting to go through. I know they're starting with tracked and signed, so that's positive, but I don't think that you'd have this in time for Valentine's Day. But if you're wanting a printed kit for Galantines, which you can do any time of the year, let me know, and then I can consider putting that in if you don't mind waiting. So that's the point. Right, enough talk. This is the little mini journal, and I love how this one's come together. I'm going to give you a nice little flip through of that in a mo. I just want to share with you what I've done for it. So it is a 13-page kit as normal. And it's available in a US size and an A4 size. And of course, when you download it, you can download it with PDF or JPEG. So you'll find that in my Etsy shop and of course on my website shop as well. All right, so let's have a look. So that's the cover page there. This is the page that lines the cover. All right, that one goes on the back of that. This is the background bit that I've added in. So I usually print this or add these pages to the back of my ephemera or flip ups or anything. So that's that. It's a neutral page you can write on. And then this is a little folio page in the inside left cover. This is the first of the envelopes. You get 2 envelopes that we put together to make a little pockets inside. These are all the little bits that you'll see popping up here and there, some nice fussy cuts. This is the other envelope. Here you can see there's the 14th of February, but you'll see that I've got hearts and things that if you didn't want the 14th of February, that fit perfectly over 2 of them over there. So that's that. This is the right inside cover's double pocket, and there are the hearts, the embellishments. I've got a couple of sentiments as well. So yeah, that's a paper clip. We've got a pocket that you'll see me use inside. This is a tuck spot, oh sorry, a belly band or a tuck spot, depends how you want to use it. This is the double page. That one would need to be printed with the hearts on the back, and that's an envelope. Then we've got more pockets. This is a flip up, more pockets, ephemera pieces, strips to go on the pockets, and then large tags and lots of ephemera bits, some fussy cuts I've put together there of roses, a little mini envelope, and some more little sentiments. And I love that. That's one of my favorites. Images, little tags, lots of ephemera I've made here. And then some more ephemera bits over there. I think that's the last page. Yeah, so that makes up our little Galantines kit. So you can let me know what you think about that. All right, so I did put it together today. So that's what we have here. I've just added this little button with a little brooch attachment on there just to make it special, and put on a lovely ribbon. So that easily is removable. So it just comes off like that, and you can see just, okay. So I've stuck this seam binding on it, and that is easily removed. I love a double bow, so that's all I've done with that. So plenty of that there. and we've got a little eyelet that I've put in over there. So that's the front cover. It measures about 6.5 by 4.5, more or less. It just depends whether you're printing it borderless or with a border. You know, there's a slight variance. Where I've sewn in the signature, I have just put on this piece of trim over there. All right, and then that's the back. Okay, so really lovely little gift, fit beautifully inside your purse. So if you've got friends that you'd like to spoil or treat, or your partner, there you go. And this didn't take me very long to do at all. Now, I will tell you one thing. I have not added any die cuts using my die cut machine, and I wanted to show you that you don't have to use die cuts to make something look pretty. I've pretty much used what's in that kit and 1 or 2 bits of ribbon. That's it, nothing extra special, and it still looks lovely, I think. All right, so let's have a look inside. Okay, so here's our little first page and the little folio piece that I talked about. There you go. So I've just taken some butcher's twine and put that in there. And then we have our little pocket and our 2 little bits of ephemera. And as I said to you, I take a second page and I back it onto this so that it's pretty robust. I do use a 160 GSM paper or a 60-pound weight. So there you go. There's a lot of love in here and all that sort of stuff. I enjoyed making this. It was fun. And the other good news is that I have recorded a video which I'm going to put out on Sunday to show you how I have put this together, because I thought we could do with an update, and I've learned little tricks along the way, so I wanted to share that with you. So if you're thinking, oh well, I won't know how to make this, you can, because you can follow along with me on Sunday. All right, so here's the little pocket. I stuck it onto the little double pocket pages, and I go through all of this stuff with you step by step. I've just added one of the hearts and one of the fussy cuts there and put in 2 pieces of ephemera. That's that beautiful little half pocket. There's one of the little tags from the kit, and the ribbons that I've used are just my standard ribbons. I didn't order any special ribbons. This is stuff that I've had. I did go and get myself from Amazon some Valentines ribbons, and there were 18 tiny pieces in, you know, little rolls in there with about 1 meter on. But I promise you, I haven't used them because I actually didn't like how they looked. So, you know, I encourage you to use what you have, guys. So I went into some of my Christmas ribbons and some of my other old kits that I had ribbon pieces over, and I didn't need to find too much to use in here, and I was very happy with how it turned out. This is the other side of the page, so I've just stuck one of these little ephemera bits and made a bit of a pocket there. And there you can see I've got those 2. I love that. Nothing like a good natter with your girlfriends and a lovely hot cup of tea or coffee and a cake. To me, that is bliss. Just a reminder that you are loved. That's important for all of us. I mean, whether you have a partner in your life or not, you know, it's good to know that you're loved. And thank God for my girlfriends, because honestly, you guys make me feel so special. Right, so there's one of the big tags. Of course, I had to add a butterfly in, you know, it just is part of me. I can't help myself. So, and I've backed that, there you see, with the paper. All right, I did stitch around it and I've added a piece of ribbon there, but that's all I've done there. So that just goes into the pocket, and I'll show you how to do all of that on the video. Okay, I love that image. Right, on this page, cake and love, you know, can't go wrong. Love and friendship, definitely. Another little tag. I got a bit bright with this ribbon. I think it was on some gift that I got, and I took it. So keep all those bits. You never know when you need them. So here's our little flip up. And again, another 2 pieces of ephemera in there. And then I've just added those strips and bits in there like that. And some bits, again, no die cuts used at all. Now this bit is the bit that's with all the tea stained pages. I've added on the tabs here. You can add them onto your ephemera if you want. I was going to put eyelets in here and little bits of ribbon, but I thought, no, stop now, because I'll never end it. Okay, I've got tea stain paper, I've got avocado paper, I've got pink parchment paper, I've got all sorts in there, and I used 5 sheets of paper, cut them in half and just trimmed them down so they were all the same, and it worked for me. I don't mind that it's a little bit shorter. That's personal choice, really. Okay, here's a little envelope bit, and I've just added some sari ribbon that had variegated bits, colors on it, which I thought looked cute, and added a bit of lace there. And then You're My Favorite Place to Be. I love that. And just added a little ephemera piece in there, so that's really cute. And that's the altered paper clip that you've got all the things to make in there, and I'll tell you how to do that as well. All right, so put a belly band in this one instead of a pocket, which I normally do. So that's a bit different, really easy to do. Here's the little envelope again that comes with the kit. It's all in the kit. And the little card, and those just go in over here and over here. All right, so we've got that there. I'll sort it all straight afterwards. This is the other envelope with the other large tag in there. And as I said, if you didn't want the 14th of February to be on there, the fussy cut hearts fit beautifully if you layer 2 on top of that, if you don't want that on there. All right, so you can do that if that is something you don't want. Right, so there's the other side of the envelope, and there. It's very full, this kit. It's got lots of images and elements and things. Here's some more little ephemera pieces. And that goes into that little pocket there, like that. And turn that over. This is something I just had, and I'm not overly happy with it, really. But I wanted another red, and I couldn't find another red. I needed a deeper red, really, but it just says love, and I thought, well, we'll go with it. So that's just the little tag for this little pocket over here. And then this little one here, I've just added 2 little ephemera pieces as well. So that goes into that little pocket. So we've got lots going on here. Here's the right inside cover now, and you've got that piece that folds up. You've got lots of ephemera in here, the butterfly, the hearts, you know, vintagey little Valentine cupids. And here's another little cupid. How cute is that? And then this little piece as well. All right, so we've got lots going on there, so that all goes in there. And yeah, these are full. I added even more ephemera in this one. I was having a ball putting it all together. All right, so that's our little Galantines journal, a little mini one. I just had to get this one done because obviously the day is fast approaching and my days are crazy. The very next one that I will be doing, which I'll be working on, is the Book Lovers Mini Journal, because I know that we want to be doing that. But I just had to get this one. This is just lovely to have for, it doesn't have to be for Valentine's, as I say. Galantines can happen any day, can't it? You know, and we all love our friends and, you know, that sort of thing. So that's it there. Right, and this bit goes on there. So I'm not going to hassle with that right now. If you're interested in any of this, I have the details below in the description box below this video. So you can click on there and have a look at it closely. I've got photographs and everything available in, as I said, my website shop or Etsy. Tomorrow I will be updating the stock on my complete Book Lovers fabric, ribbon and buttons kit. All right, so that's, I've managed to get in extras. So I'm hoping that you know, with Royal Mail's coming right very shortly. They're starting with their rollout plans, as I said, that I can get those off to you. And it's all good to go. So I have got a couple people have been asking me, and I did manage to source a few more. So I will be updating that tomorrow. So do look out there in my website shop. All right, everyone. There's a sale going on as well. So you're able to pick up a great deal there. But that sale will end at the end of January. All right. Okay, everyone, have a fabulous weekend. Look out for the Sunday video if you're wanting to put this together, or any of the minis. It's a great update on that for you. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you, everyone. Bye.